Buy these now before it's too late. If you guys can get this video up to an easy 300 likes in the first 24 hours, I'm gonna give away a pair of reverse mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. All you guys need to do is smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, join the Moore family, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the reverse mocha Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low. This is my biggest giveaway ever. And the giveaways are only gonna get bigger and better, so make sure you guys subscribe, join the Moore family. I got a bunch of dope content on the way, giving back to you guys, my audience, my subscribers here locally, giving back. I want to become the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, so make sure you guys join me on the journey. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys smash that like button so I can give these away. Now let's get into this video. I have a Nike sneakers app W unboxing first, and then later on I'm going to tell you guys about these Air Jordan 1s you guys need to buy now before it's too late. I did open up the box already. I did take a W on Nike for these, which I'm very, very happy and grateful for. When I get a pair of Nikes from the Nike sneakers app or Nike app, I'm happy I took a W, no matter pretty much what it is. The orange Nike box, and we have a pair of Nike Dunks. Size 11, these are actually a Nike Dunk I've never seen in hand before, so I'm excited to see these. Ooh, we have the Valerian Blue Nike Dunk Low. These are clean, these go hard. They do have the red hits, which I really do like, and it does have this blue, almost navy, Valerian Blue they're calling it, which is really nice. I like this shade of blue. I think it's a nice color here. These are clean. Quality on Nike Dunks is not the best. These feel like pandas, like every other Nike Dunk. These are a clean, wearable Nike Dunk, and they do have a really nice colorway, nice color blocking. This color blocking traditionally does go up in price and rather quickly. Right now, the sneaker market is down. Will these go up? Potentially. They do have the potential to go up still. However, if Nike restocks these like crazy, then they'll plummet. Red, white, and blue theme to it, and I like these a lot. These are clean. Very happy to take a W on the Nike app. Pay retail. Hey, for a pair of Nike Dunks, can't really beat it. These are clean, these go hard. Now let's get into these Jordan 1s that I have to tell you guys about. You guys need to buy these now, right now, before it's too late. Sneakerheads, you guys need to buy a Sole Premise bag now before it's too late, because Sole Premise bags are 40% off using my code Danny Moore at checkout. Click the link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise. Add a bag that you love to your cart, and then use my code Danny Moore at checkout. It'll give you 40% off your entire order. Sole Premise has duffel bags, luggage bags, carry-on bags, all different types of bags that you guys can use to travel, and they have compartments to store your sneakers. Every Sole Premise bag is made to store your sneakers. They're perfect for sneakerheads. They have tons of space, and they're very affordable when you guys click the link and use my code Danny Moore at checkout. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go cop a Sole Premise bag now before it's too late. Click the join button down below, sign up, because I will be starting up my own Discord server very soon, and I want you guys to get access to it. So make sure you guys click that join button. This Discord's gonna be fire. You guys will be able to talk to me and just help you guys out with sneakers, sneaker investments, everything shoes. So make sure you guys join. I have to give a huge shout out to Lee Barron. That's where I copped this pair of Air Jordan 1s from. You guys can cop from Lee Barron yourself as well with their website. I'll leave a link down below in the description, and they also do phone orders on releases. Be sure to check out Lee Barron. It's a retailer that you probably never heard of. The sneaker resale market is down right now, and new releases are really getting slept on. So this right here is a pair of Air Jordan 1s that I think is very slept on, very underrated. There's not much resale to this pair of Air Jordan 1s for now. I do think they will go up in price. So I'm gonna tell you guys to buy this Air Jordan 1 or any sneaker that you want now. If the price is where you're comfortable, I suggest buying them now before it's too late. because this sneaker market crash is probably not gonna last very long. So be sure to buy your favorite sneakers now while the prices are low, before it's too late. I do see potential in this colorway going up in price, so I had to buy them now before it's too late while the market's down, because I'm not taking a risk on this one. These Air Jordan 1s are very clean, very fire, size 11 going straight to the toe. The Air Jordan 1 Low bleached coral. I really enjoy this colorway and this color blocking on the Air Jordan 1 Low. This is the original Jordan 1 Low with Nike Air on the tongue. This is a very clean colorway, very wearable in my opinion. It is that pink, that bleach coral, but it's more toned down and muted. It's not bright and in your face. I think this sneaker is perfect for everybody to wear. It's comfortable, they're true to size, and this colorway is so clean and neutral and muted. And I think the bleach coral just really does the talking. It does a little bit of pop, but it's not too much. It's not too bright of a pink and in your face. The black leather is cracked on this sneaker, and they come with a tag saying that it is going to crack and fall off because of the applicant that they used. There's not much resale to the bleach coral right now. I do think potentially these will go up in price. It will take some time because of what's going on right now in the world, and especially the market being down. But these do remind me a lot of the rust pink Air Jordan 1 High, of course, because of the pink and the colorway, the color style. These are very clean. I'm excited to put these straight on feet. And on the bottom, I will be putting Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. Make sure you guys cop your Drip Grip at the link down below. Danny10 will give you 10% off your order from Drip Grip. While prices are low, I'm taking advantage of it for personals, and I'm just picking up some random personals here and there that I really do want, that I'm gonna put right to feet, because the prices are low, and it's where I'm comfortable spending the money, even paying resale, that it's not too bad. A lot of these Jordan 1s, a lot of these sneakers in general have dropped in price or maintain their value, but you know, it's time later. Some things are going up. There's another pair of Air Jordans that actually is going up right now. If you guys want to see me talk about that Air Jordan that's going up right now in price, leave a comment and let me know. Picking up personals during the market crash right now is a good thing. It's a good time to go ahead and pick up some personal pairs that aren't reselling for much at all. I do think if these released last year, or especially the year before, this would easily be $220, $230. I bought the bleach coral Air Jordan 1 Low now before it's too late, and I recommend you guys to cop these now if you want them before it's too late. But also be sure to cop any sneaker at all before it's too late, because the prices are down right now, but they're gonna go up one day. So make sure you guys cop now before it's too late. It's a great time to buy some personals. Smash that like button, run it up, 300 likes, 24 hours. I'm giving away Reverse Mocha Travis Scott's. Hit that join button down below, become a member of the channel to get a head start into the Discord. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind, we're never gonna stop, always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching, we out.